If you're managing industrial or commercial operations, you can't afford downtime, and you shouldn't have to worry about whether your surge protectors will hold up. Maybe you've experienced equipment failure, lost valuable data, or been frustrated by solutions that wear out over time, leaving your infrastructure vulnerable. We hear you. What you need is long-lasting, reliable protection for your dedicated lines, equipment, and systems, without worrying about replacing parts, handling recalls, or experiencing failures. That's where Zero Surge's branch circuit facility filters step in to provide a continuous, hardwired, worry-free solution. Our range of facility filters is built to meet the diverse needs of various industries. The FF1 series is ideal for dedicated lines such as point-of-sale systems, fire alarms, and building automation systems. The FF2 series brings powerful protection to industrial automation, with heavy-duty DIN rail mounting for control panels and PLCs. The FF4 series is perfect for dedicated branch circuit protection, particularly in areas exposed to harsh conditions, like agricultural equipment or water treatment facilities. Each series is designed with reliability in mind, providing continuous, effective surge protection without ever needing replacement. Stop worrying about your surge protection and start trusting it. Visit zerosurge.com today to learn more about how our facility filters can provide the reliable, long-lasting protection your systems deserve.